12 noon and we want to walk around their local area. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Elle and this is my travel diary. Look, this place is so quiet. Oh, there's a bee. Wow, a lot of bees here. Wow. These flowers are so beautiful. Hey, I found something here. Onions. Hey, a lot of onions. Are these for selling?
I don't think so.
There's a shrine here. I think I've never been here. Do you know this place?
It's different from before.
Why?
There was no stairs,
Eh?
I think.
When was the last time you went here? You came here? Eh?
Vegetable juice.
Yeah, vegetable juice and macadamia chocolates. Oh. Sugoi. Look, it's a lot of dried leaves. There's a parking lot here. Is this new?
And before, no parking lot here.
Really?
Where does the road go?
I think you can go up. Yeah, there's a house there. You can see a house. You want to go up?
Yeah, private property.
Yeah. Oh, the weather is so good. It's sunny, but it's not hot. And it's windy, but not so strong. What kind of flower is this? These are not sakura, right? It's beautiful. Where is the cafe? I think it's here. No?
Yeah, around here. We are not going to the cafe.
Yeah, it's just I want to see. Oh, they have onions here too. They got onions here too. And these beautiful yellow flowers. Nice.
We can go up here too.
Look, there's a way up here.
Yeah.
Kuwai na. Wow, I can hear the birds. What's in here?
There is like a
Is this like a factory or something?
let's see.
Is this new? Yeah, it looks new.
But this road is not new.
I mean, this one. The
Yeah.
oh, what's that?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, this is like how do you call that?
construction site.
Yeah, but what are they building?
Or office.
Maybe. Maybe we're not allowed to go here. Oh,
I think I used to
the
play.
water is running.
I used to play here. I think
You used to play here?
there.
Okay, let's see.
What's this?
This?
Playground. Wow.
Eh, is there? What's in here? I think we can go further.
Yeah, no, but I mean here.
Eh?
Yeah, we went down here.
危ないよ、ここ。
いやいやいや、like this. 懐かしい。
You played here?
うん。
What did you do? 危ないよ. It's dangerous here.
There's stairs there.
Ah, okay, so before it was not like this.
No, there was no trees, only like rocks
Ah, okay.
here.
And water.
Yeah. So this fell down.
Which one? The tree?
The tree. It broke the fence.
Ah, yeah. Maybe the last typhoon? Wow. You hear the birds. Onions. わあ、これレタスですか、これ？レタスですね。
Well, lettuce is like a bowl.
So what's this? But this is what we use for salada. No? You got lettuce in your house too. So this one is for inocho. Whoa. Solar panels.
Oh, okay.
Solar panels. Sige. Look at this wire. You really cannot enter. What's that?
Renewable energy. Plant.
I remember this place. You told me before that you used to play here. But there's no water anymore. The last time we went here, there was water.
Yeah.
So now it's dry. Where are we going? Not there. Piggy said there's another shrine here.
Yasaka Shrine.
What's the name again?
Yasaka Shrine.
Yasaka Shrine. Ah, yeah, I think I saw it on the map. But I don't think we've been here. Have you been here?
By bike, I think. I've been here. There's a pond
Pond?
with goldfish in it.
Oh, there's a motorbike. Maybe when I see the place, I'll know if we've been here. Well, it's steep. Huh? Is there a river here?
Not a river.
What's that? I can hear water. It's water.
It's not a river.
What's that? Shower? What's written here? Wait, I'm so tired.
It's a festival.
This one?
Summer festival.
In here?
忘年会. Oh, it's new.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a waterfalls here. Wow. Look at these flowers. Oh. You can see the houses from here.
This was made last year in March. 令和4年.
So where's the shrine? Is it upstairs? Oh, we have to go up?
Yes.
Okay.
Look,
Ah!
it's big.
そうですね. Wow.
綺麗やな.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. I think.
The color is good. I like the color. Oh, there's a fat one.
Which
He's
one?
fat.
Ah, yeah, he's the biggest one. すげえ、かわいい. And there's a black one.
They came here
White
to
one.
get food.
To go fishing.
They expect they would have food.
Oh yeah, where can we get food?
There's someone who grows them.
This is very traditional one. Can you do this, Piggy? これ. This is very different from the usual ones. How do you call this?
Don't know.
In Japanese, you don't know?
I don't know. I think this is only for wash your hands,
Yeah, you
not
cannot drink.
for drinking. But there's no sign.
You didn't wash the
There's no
handle.
sign.
You should wash the handle after using, right?
Handle?
Yeah, this one. After you use, you need to wash your...
How?
I'm gonna show you. Can you hold this? This is what I learned. So for example, you wash your hands, chan chan chan. After you wash your hands, you need to do this too.
I don't think so.
No?
I don't think so.
Where did I learn that? Or maybe I just saw people do that.
I don't think so.
Hondo? That's not how it works? Can we ring this?
Yes.
Ping, ping, ping. What's written here?
Taiken.
Taiken?
I don't know. The meaning.
Yes. Wow. We can see the whole Inocho
Yeah.
from here. This town is called Ino Town. Inocho. Ooh. お、これ。
お、やばい。
Yeah, それそれ。
危ないやつや。
そうそうそうですね。
ムカデ。How do you call it?
Centipede?
Like a 100,
Centipede. そうそう。
100 legs.
Yes, yes, centipede. Yeah. 危ない。Wow. More? Up?
Here.
Where is the shrine?
That's the shrine.
Huh? That was it? 本当?
I think so.
Yeah, I think I've never been here. ここ何もないよ。え? We can still go up. This tree is too low. What's in here? Okay. Just to see the town. This is it. Well, we can still go up. Wow. すげえ。Where are we going? ちょっと怖いよ。What if there's a snake here? Let's go back.
少しだけ。
やめてもう少しだけ like yesterday. Oh my gosh. 危ない。See? Let's go back. Piggy. Let's go back.
Look.
What's that? No, I don't want to go any
Better.
further. え
ちょっとだけ。
ー、
少しだけ。
やだ。Where is that bird?
あ、お、There's a road. Google map.
Road to the other side of the town? Can we go down from here? We should. It's very relaxing. Having nature walk is very relaxing. It's really nice here. It's quiet. There's really no one here. Wow, that was a big one. Big butterfly.
Oh.
What's that?
Strawberry.
Ichigo?
Kind of strawberry.
Really?
Yes.
ちょっと待って。
野いちご。ワイルドストロベリー。
あ、本当? Is this called wild strawberry? Oh my gosh, I cannot see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, the red ones. He said it's wild ichigo. Yeah, wild strawberry. Eh.
You can eat it. This road is new.
Really? Maybe a few years back.
When I was a child, it didn't exist.
Oh, bamboo. These are bamboos.
You can eat.
We can do the, how do you call it, the soba that runs,
Somen.
somen.
Nagashi somen.
Nagashi?
Nagashi somen.
Nagashi somen.
You make the somen flow.
はい。
Nagashi.
What's this?
Ikebana class.
You can learn
You
here.
make-
Ikebana is like flower arranging, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually a good hobby.
Ah,
What's this?
これはこれは懐かしいね。
Nice.
That's nursery school. Tomiya went to.
Nursery school?
Yeah, Tomiya went. I don't know what's this one.
Ah, okay. So you were picking up your brother there on the way home from your school?
Sometimes. Not sometimes.
What's in there? You can speak. I'm recording.
Oh, so.
Ah, okay, there's a road. Okay, that's a road over there. Eh? I think this is a new way. He doesn't know what this is. But I saw a car. I thought it's like someone else's garden.
Come up here.
Huh?
Let's take this way.
You can take that way?
うん。
What's in there?
Let's go. I don't know.
Oh,
竹正家。竹正家の墓。
ah, yeah, there are some. It's color green. What kind of fruit is this? It's not budo.
Will be colored.
No.
It will be different color after it grows. When it's mature.
Hondo?
Like a cherry. Yeah, of course.
I don't know. Ah, yeah, because it's a vine, right? Do you know vine? Look. Mikan ka na, kore? Buntan? No? What's
No.
this?
そうかな。
We're not sure. Yeah, it's a lot.
That's my school.
Which one?
There. The big
The,
building.
at the end?
うん。
Okay, that was his school. High school, elementary?
Junior high school.
Junior high school. Is that the one that's already closed?
Yes. Yeah.
Ah, because there are no more students anymore. But I remember, yeah, last time we went there by motorbike.
Yes.
Yeah, but I remember when we went there last time, you said that it's going to be closed in that year.
うん。
So now it's closed. It was like 3 years ago, before the pandemic started.
Yeah. もったいない。
Oh my gosh, where are we going? I think we're so far now. Oh, some people are walking too. Yeah, this is really a nice place to go for a walk. We will go down there. Oh, these houses are big.
Ah, it's cool here.
Yeah, it's cool.
Nice.
And it smells good. What's this smell? Yeah, it's like a perfume. Oh my gosh. Ah, it smells so good. What's this smell?
Nature perfume.
Yeah, it's like that. It's refreshing, but it really smells like a perfume, like a detergent soap, or oh my gosh, I cannot explain. Ooh, look at this place. Smells good, or maybe someone's washing clothes. Wow. 本当に It smells so good. ねえ。And I like the sound of the birds. My husband is so adventurous, so he wants to go up here. I actually don't want to go up here because we don't know what's in here, so he said let's just have a look. It's too steep. And look at these trees. It's so low. Oh my gosh. Oi, let's go back. 本当に he will go up. My goodness. It's so steep. Whoa, 危ない。何もないよ。
What this tree? There's a mikan.
みかん
Mikan tree. It looks like. No, I'm not sure.
Orange tree, he said.
すごい。So we can still go up.
じゃあ、let's go. うわ Let's go back. これ楽しい。Oh my gosh. This is so fun.
It hasn't changed a lot at all. 20年ぐらいか。
You haven't seen him in 20 years?
I remember when she was like this.
We went to his friend's house because we saw two people came out of the house. So he thought it's his classmate, so he talked to him. But it's not his classmate.
Yeah.
What's this?
Before they had takoyaki yakitori here.
Okay, now it's
I
closed.
sometimes bought it here.
Now it's closed. Well, what's in there?
But he's coming back tonight, she said. The cafe, restaurant.
Oh, okay. Ah, they're singing. すげえ。Now we're going to Sun Plaza. Woo. They're singing. What kind of restaurant is that? Someone's singing there. Cafe Gallery, Clef. Curry, coffee, cake, art, and music. すごい。
I want to have a coffee as a takeout.
Nice. すごい。Here's the supermarket. I remember last time we went here, you saw you met your friend's mother
うん
working here as a
も
cashier.
っとああ、
Is-
あ
is
すくん
she's-
のお母さんか。
So-
She's not working here anymore.
Oh, she quit already?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, I'm so thirsty.
It's too big.
Yeah, when you go to Kochi, you should drink this Ripple. This one is very delicious. What's the name of this place?
Yeah, this is the name of this street. Seseragi Street.
Sesi?
Seseragi.
Seseragi Dori.
うん。
There's no water here. I remember you told me before you were playing here. Then
Yeah,
you get
with
home
water.
wet with water, and then you get home wet.
Yeah. 楽しかったですね。
We're now on the way home. It was a good walk. Oh, it's beautiful here in fall. Look at these leaves. Ooh. Ah, this one is already orange. Some leaves are already orange. This one. What? No. Look. Oh, yeah. Some are already red. So many onions. Ah, これみかんですかこれ? Kinkan. Ah, small mikan. これ? Small mikan. Come on. Baby mikan.